What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the Trumpeter and the Echo, OP89 number 15 by Dimitri. Alrighty, let's begin with me playing the piano. Right off the bat, you can hear some sort of echoing, and if you did, well, congrats, you are correct. The right hand part here kind of leads the melody. The left hand notes serve as an echo. You can tell by the forte on the right hand and the piano on the left hand written on the music. This pattern occurs throughout the piece, so be sure to pay attention to them. The time signature is 4/4, so 4 quarter notes in a measure. If you see the top left of your page, it says marcato. This means to play with emphasis. Therefore, don't be shy. In this video, I want to introduce a few potential hotspots that you might want to pay more attention to. These are the places I feel like it's kind of tricky and a little harder to master. If you have any other hotspots, feel free to comment below or email me. This way we can improve and learn at the same time. The first hotspot I will point out will be the first 2 bars. Make sure to hold down the half notes 2 beats before you continue, or else the entire piece will sound rushed. The second hotspot I will point out will be bar 7. This also has the tricky timing to learn, so make sure to play the rhythm right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The half notes should have 2 beats. The third hotspot I will point out will be bar 9. At this time, you may be tempted to play the same notes as the first bar, but that's not the case. They are completely different notes, so be sure to pay attention there. And finally, the last hotspot will be the last measure. Be sure to hold down the right hand on the last measure when you add the left hand. Lastly, start this piece quite slow and do it hand separately as we always say. Somewhere around 50 beats per minute for half notes will be fine. Then, slowly bring it up to the real tempo, which will be 66 or even 72 beats per minute for half notes later on. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video or it helped, drop a like and comment below. Be sure to comment and email me any suggestions or questions. The email will be down in the description. Until next time, practice smarter, not harder. See ya!